Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Vertu Toys channel. In front of me I have here a recent release from YM model, the Ferrari F50. This was something that I was really looking forward to because not many scale models scale model companies has made any Ferraris in 1/64 scale. So I was quite happy that YM model was gonna release this. So it came in three colors: the red, the yellow, and the white. I'm not sure if all three came together because I got mine, the two yellow first, and then recently the red one. Okay, so packaging wise it's pretty straightforward. It has a prancing horse underneath, a couple of outline of the car at the back. Okay, so when this came out, right, this was a homage for Ferrari's 50th anniversary, if I'm not mistaken, and it was supposed to succeed. What is this? A lot of people was comparing it to the F40 because yeah, the F40 was to celebrate the 40th anniversary, and quite at that period of time, quite a lot of people were saying that F40 is better. However, in some ways, I do quite like the styling of the F50 actually. Yes, the F40, of course, it plays, you know, it ranks very high in my heart. I would say that. But you know, the F40 actually it does look quite okay, and I do quite like that YM model is able to pull this off. I did photograph comparison. It is really quite close to the real thing. I really like that they do the little details like that, okay, rather than, you know, putting stickers and stuff. So this is really based on the real thing. I really like the headlamps. Okay, it's made really very nicely. I really like it like that. Okay, I'll definitely get it out of the base. Okay, hang on. Let me just get it out of the base. You know what? Let me just get it out of the base. Where's my screwdriver? Here we go. I've actually gotten the white out of the base already. I do have one extra piece at the back, so I'll show it to you later. Let's get the red one out of the way first. Okay, hang on. So 359 of these were made. I'm talking about the real thing, and they, at the point when they released this, right, they did mention that it's really like driving an F1 car. I mean, yeah, an F1 car for the road, basically. So it was supposedly shares a lot of technology from the F1 car during that period of time. Okay, hang on, let me just get it up. Yeah, one thing about Resin, right? Yeah, it very easily leaves fingerprints on the car, on the paint, but I don't care. Come on, I like it loose. You gotta get it out of the base, you know. You gotta get it out of the base so that you can take proper photos of them. You can take a closer look. I don't know about you, but I really like taking photos of them, especially Resin models. Okay, so I've got, there we go. I've got a white one out already, so I'm gonna put this aside. Okay, and I'm gonna grab the yellow one as well. Okay, so you've seen the packaging, slightly different here and there. Sorry, when I say slightly different here and there, it's basically the shade, the color shade. Okay, everything else is the same. Okay, so yellow has the yellow shade, then the white is in white, and the red is in the shade of red. Okay, the white here, compared to the recent R33 video that I did, right, that was a pretty flat, solid white. But this white is actually very nice. Wait till I show it to you later. Okay, so I got the yellow out first. Very nervous and very eager to share this with you actually. Nice. I think the yellow is very nice as well. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I'm just gonna get it out of the base and I'll show it to you guys. One shot. Where's my screwdriver? There it is. Hang on. I'm not a fan of these kind of screws. They look like I don't know about China, but these look like screws from our local hardware shop. So it's kind of like, you know, they want to make premium model, but it's a little bit half-assed. I think I'll use that word. Or maybe, I don't know, is it in the interest of time? Because I know because of the COVID situation, a lot of the manufacturing lines are delayed. But then again, I don't know, after so long of being a collector, right? Okay, not very long, okay. For the length of me being a collector, I kind of prefer they take their time to release it rather than rush the thing out. Because we've seen other companies when they try to rush their production, right? Then they'll have loads of issue with quality control. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside. Okay, nice, very nice. We'll go through the red one first, because come on, it's the F50. We have to take a look at the red one first. Okay, let me just zoom it in. There we go. Look at that. One thing that out of the when I was doing my research, right, the thing that really caught my attention is okay, I'm gonna wipe off that thumbprint on the top. The thing that caught my attention the most, right, it's how they have bolted the engine to the chassis. Okay, so those that have driven the F50, right, they would tell you that when they drive the car along, right, when the whole car vibrates, they feel it in their back, they feel it in their body, in their seat. Okay, so that is supposed to give the drivers the true driving experience, because it's actually if I'm not mistaken, it's actually similar to Formula 1, where when they, you know, the engine is really bolted to the chassis during that period of time. Oh, look at that. So I did watch Tiff's review of this F50. I think he did it last year. So it does tell us, I kind of take his word for it, which is, he says, you know, it really gives the feel. It's a very driver's car. It gives the driver the feel of everything that's going on in the car. Because the other thing that really stand out is actually the rims. That is actually very, very close to the real thing. Okay, not much engine detail that we can see. Okay, not much engine detail that we can see. It's there is a little bit of detail in there, but not much, and they're in a very dark color, so we can't see it. Okay, the headlamps. Oh, look at the plastic cover on it. It's so clear. It's so clear you can almost not see it unless there's a reflection. Nice. That's the red. Okay, you know what? Let's see the back as well. Look at that. Look at the beautiful thing. Look at that. Okay, and then that's the red, and then we'll check out the yellow. Another very iconic color. The Ferrari Yellow. Oh, this is actually very nice as well. Oh, look at that. Look at that, the prancing horse emblem. You see how clear is it? Now you see the headlamp. You look at the headlamps. Oh, look at that. It looks like the cover is not even there. Damn it. Oh, look at that. It's freaking nuts. Man, it's freaking nuts. Look at that. Oh, love the shape here. Petrol filler cap. Look at that. Okay, let's look at the back. This is also very nice. Look at the little exhaust details, the brake lights, prancing horse in the middle. Damn. Okay, the white. Now the white is not just a white, it's a pearl white. Look at that. Can you see it? Yeah, a little bit, right? So yesterday it's a solid white. Today you can really see the difference. You can see how the color shift a little bit when we angle it. Yes, of course the red is the most iconic one, but Oh, come on, man. All the three colors, they all looked so damn good. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at the indicator lights, the details. That is very nice. That's very nice. Gonna check out the side again. The side mirrors are all the way out. It does look a little bit big, but it's not really a big issue to me. Just need to be a little bit more careful. Damn, look at that. Look at that thing. And it's some crazy shit. Nice, very nice. Very, very nice. Cool. Oh, look at that. Okay, cool. Let's just park them. Let's just park them together. There we go. There we go. Yes. Is everyone in? Yes. Let's angle it a little bit. There we go. Yeah, I'm a little bit of a sucker for the figures right now. I guess because of all the lockdown that we know when we spend so much more time at home. Yeah. Okay, cool. Oh, damn. Look at that. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button and remember to smack that like button for me, okay? And then I will be taking close-up photos of them and putting them on my Instagram. And do follow Collector's Cube, okay? I will be posting up. I'll be a little bit more active on the other side for the time being, because it actually takes up quite a lot of time and I won't be able to spend as much time as I used to for Virtu Toys right now. So hopefully you know, I can find some help and we can balance it up and I can come back to Virtu Toys. Okay, so do hit us up on Facebook, Collector's Cube. Alright, and so that's it for this round. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.